Good morning children. Today we are going to learn different types of fraction. So in that the first case you will learn two types, that is proper and improper fraction. Proper fraction and improper fraction. So here from the word itself I will explain now. See here in the fraction now 3 by 4 let's take. You think of it, this is a head. On the top one, the numerator is the head. Okay, so if the head is small, then it can stand straight. That way you remember. This is just I am giving you the tricks to remember which is proper and improper. Okay, if the head is small, then it can stand straight. Suppose if the head is big, you imagine in your body, if the head is so big, bigger than your body, whether the head can stand properly. No, it won't stand properly, it will fall. Okay, so it will be improper. So if the head is small, then it will stand properly. If the head is bigger, it cannot stand properly. So we say it is improper. So the same way, if the numerator is smaller, then it is a proper fraction, smaller than the denominator. Suppose if the numerator is bigger. Now you compare here, this numerator is bigger than this one. So this is improper fraction. So remember, if numerator is smaller than the denominator, that is proper fraction. Suppose if the numerator is greater than the denominator, then it is an improper fraction. That way you remember, if the head is big, that is improper fraction. It cannot stand properly. That way you remember. Okay, now the next one is the unit fraction. Unit fraction. I think I have told you what is unit. Unit means 1. We say unit digit, no? Ones place. When we speak we say ones place, but if you see in the book it will be given unit place. Unit place means 1. Okay, so unit means always remember it is 1. So the fraction which are having 1 as numerator, they are called unit fraction. That means in the numerator it will be 1. In denominator it can be any number, 1 by 7 or 1 by 100 or 1 by 547. This way, no? Any number in the denominator can be any number, but in the numerator it is 1. So in this case, if the numerator is 1, they are called unit fraction. So remember proper fraction, improper fraction and unit fraction. Okay, last week I had given Friday one homework. In that the last sum, it was not given an example and I also forgot to explain. So I will say now, if the fraction is like this and here the digit is missing, this what number should be here so that it will become the whole. So to become the whole means it should become 1. So to become 1 means the numerator and the denominator must be same. That means here also must be 7. 7 by 7 it should be. That means it is actually, I told this is divide symbol, no? So it is 7 divided by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. So it is becoming whole. So if the denominator and the numerator is same number means it becomes the whole number. Okay, so what comes here to makes a whole means you have to see what is given the denominator, same number you write in the numerator. Suppose if the denominator is missing, what is given in the numerator, the same number you write in the denominator. Okay, now let's see the next type of fractions are like and unlike fraction. Like fraction and unlike fraction. Like fraction, unlike fraction. Okay, in like fraction means this like fractions, here there will be more than 2 fractions. Okay, we cannot, with only one fraction we cannot say which is like or unlike. So there must be 2 or more than 2 fractions should be there, then only we can identify whether it is like or unlike. Okay, so now let me give an example. Suppose if it is 3 by 11 and here it is 9 by 11. Okay, if you see here the denominator is same. Here also 11, here also 11. So if the denominator is equal, if it is same, they are called like fractions. Suppose here now like this, 8 by 13 and here 15 by 21. If it is in this case, let's take 22. Okay, in this case you see here the denominator is different, so they are called unlike fractions. Okay, if the denominator is same, they are called like fractions. If the denominator is different, they are called unlike fractions. Okay, in like and unlike fractions, we can compare the like fraction. Okay, unlike fraction we cannot compare, but unlike fraction we can compare. Once you convert them into like fraction, then you can compare. But like fractions you can compare directly, and you can find out which is big and which is small. So here these two are like fractions. So in these two fractions, let's find out which is bigger. So now see here, you have to compare. Now see, the denominator is same, so you don't bother about the denominator, just you look at the numerator. So here the numerator is 3 and here the numerator is 9. So here which is bigger? 9 is bigger. Since 9 is bigger, so this fraction is bigger. Okay, which numerator is bigger, that fraction will be the bigger fraction. So 9 by 11 is the bigger fraction. So, and this greater than less than symbol, some of you make mistake now. So for you, I will give you the tricks to understand, to without making mistake. No, you should not, you should never make mistake. So for that I will give you this trick there. See, the mouth is opened here. No, this side is mouth open. Okay, this side is mouth open, this side is closed. See here, when it is big, you open the mouth and say, no, it is so big, like that. You open the mouth and say, no. So when it is big, you open the mouth. So that means this mouth open side should be the bigger number. Mouth closed side should be the smaller number. So this is bigger number, so that side the mouth is opened. So you can remember that way. Okay, so here the fraction, this is the fraction is bigger. So now we can find the bigger and smaller fraction, and the same way you can arrange in ascending and descending order also. So let me give an example now. See here, this all are like fractions. Okay, so because all are having the denominator 17. So this one, let's arrange in ascending order. Ascending order we have to arrange from from small to big. Ascending order. So here also I will give a trick to how to find the ascending order. See here, the first letter is A. So A is the beginning letter, no? It is a starting letter, alphabet in English. Okay, so start with the smaller one. So A, you think it as a small. So if ascending means you will start with the smaller one. So let's see here. The smaller fraction you have to write. Smaller fraction means which is having a smaller numerator, that is a smaller fraction. So here 1 is a smaller numerator, so that will come first. Again, next 2 is a smaller one. Okay, now little bigger than 2 means 5. So 5 by 17. Now bigger than 5 means 9. 9 by 17. Now little bigger than 9 is 13, 13 by 17. So this is the way we write in ascending order. Descending order means you will write from big to small. So this is the way you write the ascending and descending order. Now see here this one, 3 by 16, and here 5 by dash and dash by 16. So these three fraction is given. You have to write like fraction. So like fraction means in denominator 16 must be there. So here 3 by 16, the same thing here also 16 must be there. So in this denominator 16 will come. Okay, for like fraction all the denominator is same. But what about the numerator? So don't bother about the numerator. In numerator you can write any number, but better you choose smaller than the denominator. So here it is 16 is here, so smaller than 16 you choose. Okay, bigger than 16 if you go, it will become improper fraction. Okay, so they never give improper fraction like this. So always we write proper fraction only. Okay, so if you write bigger than this also no problem, but don't write so bigger. Okay, but better, the best answer is you write the smaller number. Okay, bigger number also is a correct answer I told. But the best answer is, if you are like a good student in maths, means you have to write the best answer, isn't it? So the best answer means you write the number smaller than the denominator. So here the 16 is denominator, so smaller than 16. So let's write 15. So this is the way you can write. Okay, now let's see finding half of a number. So half of a number is 1 by 2. Again, finding 1/3 of a number, it is 1 by 3. Finding quarter of a number, that is 1 by 4. Okay, so this one we say half 1 by 2 we call it half, 1 by 3 we call it 1/3, and 1 by 4 we call it quarter. Okay, so this is the name also you must know, and the fraction also you must know. Okay, so to find, already I think I explained, to find 1 by 2, the half of a number is, you have to divide it by 2. Okay, here 2 is there in denominator, so you will divide it by 2. To find the 1/3 of the number, here in denominator 3 is there, so you will divide by 3. To find the quarter of a number, 1 by 4 of a number, in denominator 4 is there, you will divide by 4. Okay, if it is given in fraction, you will know this number is there down, so I will divide like that, you will know. But suppose if it is given, find the half of a number, or find 1/3 of the number, find quarter of the number, that time you must not be confused. Okay, so you must know 1 by 2 means half, 1 by 3 means it is 1/3, 1 by 4 means it is quarter, that you must know. Okay, suppose if it is given 18, so you have to find half of 18. So half of 18 means 18 multiplied by 1 by 2. Okay, so here it is 18 divide by 2. I told no, you have to divide by 2. 18 divide by 2. So how many 18? How many 2's are there in 18? 9 2's are 18. So 9 is the answer. So to find the half of the number, you will divide by 2. Again, to find 1/3. Okay, for the same thing you can write 1/3 also. So now find the 1/3 of 18. Find the 1/3 of 18 means like this. 18 into 1 by 3. So it is, you have to divide by 3. So 18 divide by 3. How many 3's are 18? 6 3's are 18. So 6 is the answer. 6 is the 1/3 of 18. Okay, now 1 by 4. For this 18 doesn't come in 4 table. Okay, so 1 by 4 we cannot find. So let me take 20. Okay, now 1/4, quarter of 20. So 1/4 quarter. So this means 20 divide by 4. So 20, how many 4's are 20? 5 4's are 20. So 5 is the answer. So this is the way we find half, 1/3 and 1/4. Okay, so this is in calculation. In picture also it is given, in exercise it is given, in the pictures it is given. You do the calculation like this. Now suppose you are getting the answer 6. So you circle the 6 numbers. Okay, 6 pictures you circle it together. Okay, not here and there. Don't that is correct only, but it is the best way. Now you together you put 6 objects, you put a circle. Okay, so suppose if it is asked 2 by 4. So 2 by 4. So it is 1 by 4 means you will divide by 4, isn't it? Suppose if they are asking 2 by 4. So here 2 is there, isn't it? So now suppose you are getting 5. 5 is the answer, means that 5 you multiply by this 2. 5 2's are 10. Okay, that means you have to circle 5. No, so first 5 you circle, again one more 5 you circle. Since 2 is there, one more 5. Suppose 3 is there, means one more 5 you have to circle. That way is the answer. Okay, so this calculation you will learn next year, but for you extra I am telling you this one. So 1 by 4 only they will be asking. They may not ask 2 by 4. I think I checked in the exercise. I didn't find. If there is, you do it like this way. Okay, so this is the way you have to do. Complete the exercise and send the homework. Thank you. Okay, one more thing I want to explain. I want to tell here, for the exam there is I think exam timetable is given already. You go in, see in the this one WhatsApp group, and here you will write in 100 marks. So for in 100 marks, 70 is the written test, and okay, here you listen carefully. Total marks is 100, written test is 70 marks, project work is 30 marks. Okay, so here written test I will make a question paper. So there is as usual only. Okay, in this project work I have not yet decided. I will give video, and I am planning video and Viva. Viva will be face to face. I am thinking I will announce it before the next week. No, I will announce it whether only video, otherwise Viva also included, that I will announce later. Okay, so the project work will be like last time you did the video, same way I will give some other video. Okay, again syllabus is semester 1 full book. Again in semester 2 we are learning only fraction. No, fraction I will finish it, so that lesson also you will have. So if I am reducing, if I have a plan to reduce in semester 1 any of the lesson, I will let you know later on. Okay, so this much you know, so now itself practice. Thank you.